How to make authentic Ofe Nsala Nigerian white soup. Ofe Nsala, as is formally called, is one rich and delicious soup that is very easy to make. People call it Ofe Nsala in Igbo and white soup because it has no oil requirements, like you don't require oil to cook Ofe Nsala. If you want to learn how to make this authentic Nigerian white soup, please keep watching and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get all notification whenever I post. I'll start by putting the cow head in the pot. The cow head takes longer period of time to cook, so because of that I added it in the pot first. It will cook for 15 minutes. During that period, I'm going to cut the yam I'll be using to make the soup. The yam serves as a thickener for Ofe Nsala and brings the soup together. If you want, you can use other options to thicken your Ofe Nsala, but the taste might differ because using yam gives it that original, authentic taste of white soup. Nigeria soup are very versatile, but you see Ofe Nsala is quite unique and different, from the flavor to the aroma, which provides that spicy kick when you taste it. So it's time to check the cow head. It's partially cooked, so it can cook better now with the normal beef. I'm going to pour the beef now and I'm going to spice it because it's the broth we'll be using to make the Ofe Nsala. The description of how to make or the ingredient to make Nsala Spice will be in my description, so feel free to check out the video for all the necessary ingredients used. So I'm going to mix everything and I'm going to cover it to cook. I won't be adding any water. It will cook for 10 minutes before I add the yam I peeled. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, hello, I am Ijoma. In this channel, I make different Nigeria recipes, different Nigeria food from soups, snacks, and many others. I teach it step by step so that beginners can learn and understand. Feel free to ask me any question, I'm going to answer you. And thank you to my returning subscribers for always supporting me. I'm immensely grateful. Feel free to subscribe to the channel if you are yet to do so, and keep enjoying the video. Thank you. After pounding the yam, set it aside, and it will be time to check on the meat. If the meat has gotten to the texture you want, it's always better to scoop it out, then allow the yam to dissolve by itself and other ingredients in the broth. Removing the meat is you taking precaution. You don't want over soft meat. You don't want your meat to be too soft. Okay, so it's best to remove the meat. You add the thickener, which is the pounded yam, into the broth. It's going to boil, dissolve, and it will become a soup, normal full soup. Then you pour in the meat. This method is very unique because it relieves you from the stress of checking the meat continuously to be sure that the meat is not getting too soft. 2, the meat will not be an obstacle in the pot when you stir it or turn it like I'm doing now. If the meat is in the pot, you'll find that you'll be finding it kind of difficult stirring and turning the soup continuously. It's time to check if your Nsala soup requires more Nsala spice. Check if it requires more pepper. Yes, if you want more pepper in your Nsala soup, this is the time to add it. If you want more kick, this is when to add everything you need. Be careful when adding salt to your Nsala soup because utazi leaves bitterness tends to mimic salt sometimes in Nsala soup. Hey my stars, I've been meaning to ask this question. If you have any recipe that you want me to create, please feel free to write it down in the comment section, okay? And if you enjoy any particular video, feel free to leave a comment in my comment section, okay? Thank you very much. If you are watching up to this point and you are yet to subscribe, feel free to subscribe. Subscription is free. Thank you. The Nsala soup is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to subscribe if you are yet to do so. Okay, and this Nsala soup is very, very hot now. It tends to thicken up when it's a bit cool. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.